The painting began, like most, with a drawing, an idea, a vision, this time of something quite grand. The painting portion began with a single application of titanium white to the sun. A pale yellow hue, yellow ochre, cadmium red are then interjected around the surrounding sky to add a warmth, all done with the attempt to render an ethereal light. The sky is then expanded, sprawling from side to side. Detail is reapplied with smaller brushstrokes, ensuring each open area still contains both motion and direction. To the right of the painting, light from the sun is then added minimally to protruding pieces of rock. This highlight, it's special. It's something that may only exist on that portion of rock for minutes, though in the painting, it's solidified, it lasts forever. Trees are then added to the base, greens made of yellow ochre and Mars black, carefully highlighted with warmer pigments previously placed in both the sky and the mountains. The same is then done for the grass in the foreground. This time, additional pale yellow hue is incorporated, and in addition, thick textured highlights are then placed on the rocks in the foreground as well, creating something textured, visceral, something you feel like you could reach out, touch, and live in. I then add individual pieces of foliage to the edges of the trees, each blowing in the wind and clasping to its branch. The clouds are expanded upon, glowing highlights of orange, pinks, and yellows are assigned to both the clouds and the protruding pieces of bark. From there, the foliage in the tree, it's built up, detail, texture, pieces flying off and moving in the wind. The leaves follow the shapes of the clouds, wrapping themselves around the painting. The same movement is continued through the valley in the form of fog, which connects one side to the other. A touch of light is then added to the mist as the piece is complete.